Okay, hi Aries, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from June 16 to the 30th for you. So, how I do this is like usual. I'll be looking at the current situation about what's going on with you. And if that resonates with you, then probably the outcome will also resonate with you. Also while watching, please remember this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. And yes, that's what we're doing. Let's see what's going on with you currently, Aries. Current situation. Okay. Let's see what's going on with you currently. Ace of Swords. The Moon. The Chariot. Okay. So, Aries. I think somewhere you know that you have to do something, but you're scared. I'm also seeing the fear to be because of lack of clarity. And you want to move in your life in a direction towards clarity. You don't want to stick to ambiguity anymore. You're like tired. I'm seeing that yes, there is an energy that I'm tired. I just want to understand which path to take. I'm done. It's a path if you look at this moon card, but it's scary. Maybe you have to put an end to certain things to walk on this path. And that is what is making it scarier. I'm also seeing that you have all the paraphernalia to make it happen, but maybe it's not the way you like. Maybe this situation is not exactly supporting you anymore. Okay? And I see this realization has come to you. You know that yes, I've been trying, but it just doesn't seem to work out. I also sense that maybe at a certain point you wanted it, but then maybe this situation became so complicated that a lot of fear started to resurface and you got scared, you got angry, and you did not, maybe you said things to someone and it's just a little heavy energy. See, the thing is, you feel very deeply for this thing, but you're not 100% sure that you can do this. You feel very strongly, but you want that clarity, and that's what you're seeking from the universe at this point. Okay? Alright, so let's see if this resonated with you. What can you expect in these 14-15 days to come? June 16th to the 30th, what can you expect? What can you expect? Wow. So you will get the clarity. Ace of Swords and then again Ace of Swords. So the clarity that, wow, okay, you will understand what to do. I see a new beginning. Emperor. Six of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. So I do see that there will be some sign or something that you will notice which will probably make you feel or give you the courage that okay, let me just give it a shot. So initially what I was seeing was that yes, there was lack of confidence, but now it's like since you see a sign, you feel confident. Okay, so I'm actually seeing that yes, you will get the confidence that okay, I can do something here, let me try it in these 15 days. I also feel somewhere that either you feel very emotionally about this or your person does. I mean, if this is a connection or even if this is a situation. Okay, I have Queen of Pentacles, Five of Wands and the Lovers. So let me just take this out because I feel like it. So Queen of Pentacles, Five of Wands, the Lovers and the World. Okay. So finally you will be able to decide and make the move. That's what I'm saying. Okay. I feel that the stuckness is going, the fears are reducing, and it's moving in a better head space or mind space, whatever you want to call it. It's moving in a better space. So what I feel from here is that conflicts are ending. In these 15 days, you will see a change that conflicts and not finding a solution, that energy is going. You're also moving towards a stable period in your life, like financial stability. And I also feel that maybe if you're expecting some money to come from somewhere, that is coming to you. Okay, so I feel that this is moving in a positive direction for you. I mean, the energy is moving in a positive direction, so I don't think you should feel worried, because the clarity that you wanted is coming to you in these 15 days. Okay? Alright. So now let me just see an advice from the universe for you. What is the advice from the universe to you? Aries. Wow. Make necessary sacrifices. I think you need to get over your fear. Yes, let go and enjoy this. This is happening, or this situation, reassess. So this situation has come in your life so that you can let go of certain issues of your past or some fears. Basically, the reason why this situation is here in your life is so that you can reassess or reevaluate your whole life. Maybe you've been living your life a certain way, followed a certain kind of a mindset, and that is exactly what you need to leave behind. That's exactly what you need to leave behind. That's what I'm saying. So it's happening so that you can let go of this. That's the energy that I pick up. Alright, Aries, so that is what I have for you. I hope this made sense and gave you the clarity that you were seeking. You can subscribe to my channel if you like my readings. Also, I do picker cards and stuff. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I also do private readings. Details are there in the description box, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye-bye.